In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam ID two different ways. Let's keep this simple and clear. We'll use the Steam desktop app, and I'll show you two reliable paths to the exact same number, your unique Steam ID, so you can copy it for things like adding friends, linking services, or verifying your account with third-party tools. First, launch the Steam app and sign into your account. At the very top of the window, click your profile name to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Account Details. On the Account Details page, look just below your account name. You'll see a long numeric string. This is your Steam ID. It's sometimes referred to as your Steam ID 64. Highlight it and copy it so you can paste it wherever you need. This route is the most straightforward because it shows the numeric ID directly, and it's great when a game, support form, or integration specifically asks for the number. Now for the second way, which is handy if you're already browsing your profile. From the Steam homepage, click your profile name again and select View My Profile. On the right side of your profile page, click Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile area, scroll to the Custom URL section. Just below that field, Steam displays your Steam ID as a long string of numbers. If you've never set a custom URL, you'll also see your numeric ID in the profile link itself, which makes it easy to copy. If you do have a custom URL, the link may show your custom text, but the numeric Steam ID still appears right under the custom URL field, so look there for the full number. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If your Steam layout looks a little different, maybe due to a theme or update, the wording is consistent, the menu you need is under your profile name, and the pages are called Account Details and Edit Profile. If the number doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page or make sure you're signed into the correct account. Remember, your Steam ID is public and safe to share for friend requests or service linking, but always keep your password and other personal info private. That's it, two easy ways to find your Steam ID. Thanks for watching.